How to view stories you mute on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, below you can see here the audience and visibility section. Here you can see the stories. Okay, you can tap the stories. In the stories, below you can see the stories you mute. Okay, to show this, you'll have to do is tap the view button on the right side of this. Okay, review people you previously mute. Okay, you can tap the view button. And now you can see the people you mute the stories. Here you can see all story you mute on Facebook. And I have one only. Okay, Richard Kabili. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully viewed stories you mute on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.